I just cloned a ChatGPT generated HTML website to WordPress and it's fully editable now. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps so that you can do it yourself for any HTML website with one click, and after that you can simply edit it using WordPress. Let's go to my screen and let me show you how can you edit any website after conversion. Okay, this is the HTML website and I have cloned it or converted it into the WordPress version over here. Okay, and it's completely identical. Check this out. Okay, this is the HTML version. Okay, check this out, and this is the WordPress version. Looks completely identical and easy to edit, right? Okay, let me show you how can you edit it. So this is the WordPress Gutenberg page builder and I can edit almost any text over here. Okay, and we can simply edit the images as well. Let's click on replace and open media library. Let's replace with this image and done. Let's click on save button and let's refresh the page now. And amazing, let's go to the top and here you can see the updated text and the updated image. Amazing, right? So if you want to learn how can you do it yourself, let's get started. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a car wash website using HTML, Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. Okay, and after that let's hit submit. And amazing, it has started doing all the heavy liftings for us. Okay, we will be able to simply run this code or copy this code. Great, so ChatGPT has completed writing its code. So let's view this code, and after that we will be able to run the codes as well and see a preview of this website. So let's click on this preview button and let's allow everything we see and let's go to full screen now. Amazing, this is looking great if you consider a time of just 2 minutes of writing this code. Okay, so we can simply download this code now and we can now proceed HTML to WordPress conversion. Let's click on this download button and the code has been downloaded. Let's open it up and save it somewhere safe. Let's copy this and let me paste it on the desktop. Great, so I have pasted it into a car wash folder. Okay, so let me preview this website locally so that we can have the clear idea that our code is correct. Let me double click and preview. Let's open it up and amazing, it's loading correctly. Okay, I have added a contact form as well during my prompting. Okay, so we have a contact form in the footer. Nice. Okay, so in order to convert this HTML website to WordPress editable version, we will use AntiGravity. Okay, it's an IDE system provided by Google for free. You can simply download it with the link in the description. Okay, so after opening the AntiGravity, now let's open our car wash folder. Here it is. Let's click on select folder. So here is our code. Okay, we can view it clearly. Okay, now let's convert it into WordPress blocks. Okay, so let me give a simple command to AntiGravity over here. Let's use voice mode. Okay, please convert this HTML website into fully editable WordPress Gutenberg blocks. You can keep the HTML and CSS styling of Tailwind CSS as an external resource on the top of the pages. Okay, the converted code should be easy to edit into WordPress admin panel using Gutenberg. After that, let's send this command. Amazing, let's wait for AntiGravity to run our command. Make sure to select the model to Gemini 3.1 Pro, which is completely new edition and exclusively available for AntiGravity users. Great, make sure to accept everything you see in between so that it can make all the necessary changes. Great, we have got the success message that it has converted everything into WordPress editable format. So it has asked us to copy everything in this body class and from this body tag to the end of the body tag. Okay, so to avoid any kind of confusions for beginners, as this video is especially for beginners, let me tell you the steps so that you can avoid this kind of code problems and get executable or copy paste code simply. Okay, let's go to AntiGravity and ask it to give us a separate file completely for WordPress editing. Okay, hey, give me the separate WordPress file so that I can simply copy and paste into the Gutenberg block. Okay, amazing, let's submit it. Amazing, it has created a new file for us named gutenbergblocks.html. Okay, we can now simply go to this file and copy everything we see in this file. for the necessary codes. Okay, so let's go to this file and let me copy this. Let's go to our WordPress admin panel now. Okay, so let me explain you the idea before. Okay, so basically what we did, we have converted all the raw HTML codes into Gutenberg blocks code files so that WordPress can easily support them and we can easily edit them. Okay, basically we are converting the HTML codes to WordPress Gutenberg blocks code. Okay, so let's go to WordPress admin panel, and here we are into our WordPress admin panel. Let's add Astra theme over here because I am going to use the Astra theme. So let's install the theme. Let's activate it. Great. So our theme has been activated. Let's add a page. Let's give it a name as home, and after that let's click on publish button. So our page has been published now. Okay, so in order to paste the codes we have copied from AntiGravity, you need to click on these three dots. Okay, after that you will see an option for code editor. Okay, and you will be able to paste all of your Gutenberg block codes into this. So let me paste it. Great, so all of our codes have been pasted here. Okay, after that you will need to go to three dots again and click on the visual editor now, and here all of our blocks code have been pasted. All of our website have been imported to WordPress successfully. Okay, let me click on the save button and let's view the website now. Amazing, but as I can see, the CSS files are missing over here. The designing is not exactly the same what we have for the HTML web version. Okay, so let's go to AntiGravity and let it know about the issue. Hey, the Gutenberg block code you have given me is not rendering the CSS file. Designing is not same. Please fix the codes and give me the updated codes again. Make sure that the design and everything else remains the same so that we can have the exact replica of our HTML version. Okay, so basically what we did, we just told AntiGravity about the issue we are facing over here. Okay, and it will now give us the updated code. One more thing we can simply do is, as I am using the local by flywheel to run my WordPress locally, I can simply go to this URL and copy paste it into AntiGravity so that it can go and access the website using its agentic AI capabilities and make all the debuggings in the code, and it can give us the updated codes in the better manner. Okay, so if it doesn't work, I am going to do the same. I will give it the URL and the screenshot of the current version so that it can have the better idea. Great, so the AntiGravity gave us the success message, and this time it has updated the code with the CSS as well. So let me copy this and paste it into the WordPress blocks again. Okay, let's update the code over here as well. Let's go to code editor and remove everything, and let's paste the updated codes. Let's switch it to the visual editor now. Amazing, now this should work completely fine. Okay, let me save these changes and let's view the updated files, the updated page. And amazing guys, as we can see, it's now loading correctly. Okay, we can see this title over here as home, the header and the footer now. Okay, let me remove everything one by one so that we can get rid of these things as well. Okay, let me scroll up, and after that you will be able to see this title over here as home. Let's click on this eye option to turn it off. Okay, after that let's go to this Astra setting, and in the container layout make sure to select it to normal or full width. Okay, after that let's go to disable elements and let's disable the header, and let's disable the footer, and after that let's click on save button over here. And amazing, let's refresh the page now, and it's working completely fine now. Okay, here you can see all the menu items are working correctly, right? Amazing. Let's compare it with our HTML version now, and here is our HTML version and here is our WordPress version. Looks completely identical, right? Amazing. So if you see any small issues, you can simply go to anti-gravity and ask it to fix it. Otherwise, I can see it's almost identical. Okay, and the best part is that we can edit almost anything, any text, any images on the website by just drag and drop, or simply clicking on the buttons like in WordPress website. Okay, as you can see, all the texts are editable, the images are editable, we can replace it however we like. Okay. Okay, before I show you how can you simply edit this website, let me polish this website to make it look amazing, even better than this HTML version. Okay, so let me show you how can you do this. Let me simply copy this URL. As I am running the WordPress locally, now anti-gravity will do everything. Okay, I am going to simply paste this URL. Okay, and after that I am going to ask the anti-gravity to visit this URL and change everything, access every information, every design aspects. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, hey, this is the URL I'm running my WordPress locally, and I have pasted the Gutenberg block quotes on this page. I want you to go to this website using your agentic AI capabilities, access it, take screenshots and compare it with the HTML version we have. Okay, make sure to create even a better looking website than our HTML version. Make sure to make this look amazing with all the animations and the design elements. The UI should look modern and professional, even the menu sections, the buttons and everything else. Okay, it should look fully professional and better than our HTML version. Okay, go ahead and give me something stunning. And after that, let's simply send this command. Okay, and what the AI will do, it will use its agentic AI capabilities. The anti-gravity will go to this URL. Because I am running the WordPress locally, it has all the access. It will take the screenshots from the browser, and it will create an amazing looking website. Okay, and it's going to do it live. So let me show you everything. And now the anti-gravity is doing everything. Okay, it has all the controls and commands. I'm not opening the browser, I'm not doing anything else. It's the anti-gravity AI by Google which is doing everything. Okay, now it's opening the website for us. Okay, and after that it will scroll down and take screenshots of all the sections. Okay, as you can see that it's getting DOM. Okay, it's scrolling itself, it's taking screenshots and everything else. Okay, so this is how powerful the Google agentic AI anti-gravity mode is. Okay, you can using this way you can copy almost any HTML website to WordPress. Okay, and edit it however you like. You can modify the look even better than your HTML version. Okay, and you will be able to edit everything into WordPress ecosystem, which is amazing, guys. Okay, so while it's doing all the heavy liftings, let's wait for it and I will show you the output it gave us. Okay, so anti-gravity has done all the heavy liftings and it has updated the codes for Gutenberg blocks.html. Okay, and it says that it has made the design more modern, stunning and professional. Okay, with the animated looks. Okay, so let me copy this entire code. Okay, and let's go to our WordPress website and replace all the previous codes with the new ones. Okay, old codes have been updated. Let's switch to Visual Editor now and let's save this page. And after that, let's view the updated page now. Okay, and look at this. It has updated the design for pricing plans and everything else. Okay, the form and everything else. The look has been updated successfully. Okay, this is our old HTML version and this is the updated WordPress website. Okay, just look at this. Amazing, right? So everything is looking stunning. Okay, let me show you how can you edit everything on this website. Okay, let's go to the WordPress admin editor. Okay, and after that whenever you will see this kind of codes, just switch it to preview mode and you will be able to edit everything you see. Okay, services in New York. Okay, let's click on save button and just refresh the website. Okay, and here is our updated text. Okay, let's change the images now. You can see this animation effect, the image is shaking up and down, right? Nice. So let's change the image now. Let's click on replace, open media files, and let's upload a new image. Let's go to downloads, and here is our new image. Let's upload this one. Select, and our image has been updated over here visually. Let's save this. Let's refresh the website, and amazing, this is our new updated image. And you can follow this strategy for almost everything. Wherever you see this kind of codes, just click on preview and you will be able to edit everything. For example, if you see this kind of HTML codes over here, even though the editing text is very easy, just simply need to type everything you like. Okay, 500 plus. Okay, just click on save buttons and your page will be updated. So this is how it works. Okay, amazing guys, the code has been updated, the page has been updated, and we have the complete copy and even the modified version of our HTML page. Okay, updated by generated by ChatGPT in minutes. Okay, so this is how you can simply copy any HTML website and move it to WordPress and edit almost everything you like in terms of text, images, and icons and everything else. Okay, if you have liked this video so far, then make sure to comment on this video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, most importantly, to enjoy this kind of tutorials in my upcoming videos as well. Okay, I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much. If you have any projects on which you want to collaborate with me, then you will find my website link in the video description. You can simply contact me on my website through contact form. Okay, I will try to reply as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day. I will meet you in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.